Welcome to Go To Product. Today, I bring you a comparison of the top 5 air fryer on Amazon, and I'll share my personal opinion on each. Want to know which one is the best? Follow along and find out. At the end of the video, you'll see the final ranking with scores for each model. In the video description, you'll find purchase links if you're interested in any of these air fryer. Let's get started. The first, Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1, is the ultimate kitchen sidekick for anyone who loves crispy, delicious food without the guilt. Using powerful 400-degree Fahrenheit superheated air, it surrounds your food to deliver that golden crunch with little to no oil, making it a game-changer for healthier cooking. Its spacious 5-quart non-stick basket and crisper plate can handle up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings, making it perfect for family dinners, game nights, or just treating yourself to a feast. But this air fryer is not a one-trick pony. It offers 4-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, roast, reheat, and even dehydrate, so you can experiment with everything from crispy veggies to homemade beef jerky. If you are impatient when hunger strikes, you will love that it takes frozen food straight to crispy perfection in just minutes, skipping the long defrosting process. Designed to save counter space without sacrificing capacity, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup. And when the cooking is done, cleanup is a breeze thanks to its non-stick basket and crisper plate. As a bonus, it comes with a chef-inspired recipe book and cooking charts, so you can unleash your inner chef and start whipping up mouth-watering dishes from day one. The second, Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL8 Cutie, is the ultimate multitasking powerhouse for anyone who wants delicious, crispy food without the hassle. With 8 cooking functions, it can air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and even synchronize cooking settings, making meal prep easier than ever. Thanks to its dual baskets, you can cook 2 different dishes at once or double up on a single recipe, saving time and eliminating the need for back-to-back batches. The Sync Cook feature ensures both baskets follow the same settings, while Sync Finish lets you cook different foods and have them ready at the exact same time. Its advanced technology delivers perfect golden crispiness with every bite, and the clear windows with internal lighting let you watch the magic happen without opening the baskets. With customizable one-touch smart programs, you can whip up wings, roasted vegetables, garlicky potatoes, cookies, and even cinnamon buns effortlessly. Preheating is practically non-existent, taking food from frozen to crispy in just minutes with a temperature range that allows for gourmet-level cooking. Cleanup is a breeze with non-stick, dishwasher-safe baskets and trays, and built-in safety features like overheat protection and auto-off provide peace of mind. Plus, if you need inspiration, the free Instant Pot app is packed with recipes to keep your taste buds excited and your meals anything but boring. The third, Chefman 12-quart 6-in-1 air fryer is the ultimate all-in-one kitchen hero, combining 6 powerful functions into one sleek appliance. Whether you are craving crispy fries, a perfectly roasted chicken, or even homemade dried fruit, this air fryer has you covered. With a massive 12-quart capacity, it is perfect for feeding a hungry crowd or meal prepping like a pro. Its wide temperature range and rapid air heating elements ensure that everything from low-temperature dehydration to high-heat roasting is effortless, and the high-fry option adds that irresistible crunch when needed. Cooking is made even easier with 12 preset options and a user-friendly touch control screen that takes the guesswork out of meal prep. You can keep an eye on your food through the extra-large viewing window with interior lighting, so there is no need to open the door and lose precious heat. It also comes with a full set of accessories, including 3 cooking racks, a stainless steel rotisserie spit with forks, a retrieval tool, and a drip tray, giving you everything you need to get creative in the kitchen. When the feast is over, cleanup is a breeze thanks to the dishwasher-safe parts and removable drip tray. Plus, with advanced safety features and a 1-year assurance from Chefman, you can cook with confidence and enjoy delicious, stress-free meals every time. The fourth, Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1, is a kitchen revolution, delivering crispy, juicy perfection faster than ever with its Turbo Blaze technology, which cranks up the fan speed to an impressive 3,600 revolutions per minute and reaches scorching temperatures of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you are air frying, roasting, or reheating, its advanced airflow system ensures every bite is evenly cooked with a perfect balance of crunch and tenderness. Thanks to its professional-grade 5-fan speed system and precise temperature control, this powerhouse handles everything from slow dehydration to high-heat searing, all in one spacious 6-quart square basket that maximizes cooking capacity while saving counter space. Even on busy nights, dinner is ready in record time, and the whisper-quiet operation keeps the kitchen peaceful at under 53 decibels. Enjoy all your favorite fried foods with up to 95% less oil, giving you that deep-fried taste without the guilt. Cleanup is effortless with its non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket and detachable accessories, meaning less scrubbing and more time savoring your creations. The customizable preheat function lets you choose whether to preheat for optimal results or skip it for a hassle-free experience. The fifth, Ninja DZ20148, is an absolute game-changer for anyone looking to cook multiple dishes at once without the wait. With its 2 independent baskets, this XL air fryer lets you cook 2 different foods, 2 ways, all at the same time, so you can finally say goodbye to the hassle of back-to-back cooking. Its Smart Finish feature ensures that both foods are ready to serve at the same time, while the Match Cook button lets you duplicate settings across both baskets for full 8-quart capacity, perfect for when you are feeding the whole family. Offering 6 versatile cooking programs, including air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, the Ninja Footy does it all with ease. Its 2 independent 4-quart zones come with their own cyclonic fans and rapid heaters, ensuring that your meals are cooked to crispy perfection, while the wide temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit means you can gently dehydrate or quickly crisp up your favorite dishes. Whether you are preparing mains and sides simultaneously or cooking up to 4 pounds of French fries or chicken wings, this air fryer's XL capacity gets the job done in no time. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to dishwasher-safe baskets and crisper plates, and with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, you can indulge in your favorite foods guilt-free. And now that we have described each product, let's see for which case each one is a good option. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any new release. Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1. This air fryer delivers crispy results with minimal oil and a spacious 5-quart basket for large meals. The Air Crisp technology ensures even cooking. However, it lacks preset cooking modes, which can be challenging for beginners. Overall, it's simple to use and effective for healthy meals. I give it 4 stars. Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL8 Cutie. With dual baskets and versatile functions, this air fryer cooks 2 dishes at once and offers quick, even results. It's perfect for larger meals but can be bulky on the counter. Despite its size, it's a great, efficient choice for cooking multiple dishes simultaneously. I give it 5 stars. Chefman 12-quart 6-in-1. This multifunctional air fryer offers a rotisserie and spacious 12-quart capacity for large meals. Its wide temperature range is perfect for different cooking styles. However, its size may be too large for smaller kitchens, and cleaning all the parts can be tedious. It's a solid pick for big families. I give it 4 stars. Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1. The Turbo Blaze technology gives you crispy, juicy results in less time with up to 95% less oil. Its 6-quart basket is ideal for family meals, but it lacks preset cooking options, which might make it harder for some users to figure out cooking times. Still, it's a high-quality, versatile air fryer. I give it 4 stars. Ninja DZ20148. This air fryer's 2 independent baskets allow you to cook 2 different dishes at once, making it a huge time saver. The 6 cooking programs offer plenty of versatility, but the design can make it a bit tricky to clean. Overall, it's great for large meals and multitasking. I give it 4 stars. And that's it for the comparison of the top 5 air fryer. See you in the next video. Goodbye.